The Polynesian Wayfinding chant from the Kumalipo isn't just a mystical navigation song. It's being validated by NIH research showing a 30% increase in spatial memory. The chant says, "Ua holo kawa'a ike ala ula," the canoe moves along the red path. Modern cognitive neuroscience tracked increased hippocampal volume and sharper navigation skills in participants learning these chants. Even chess grandmaster Magnus Carlsen uses memory palaces, echoing this method. Try this. 1. Recite a wayfinding chant for 2 minutes. 2. Visualize a journey. 3. Repeat daily for a week. Which works better, GPS or ancient memory?